Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Gatehouse 3 1/3 inch satin nickel slide bolt entry door chain. Yeah, now what this is a chain that you put on your door to, when you open your door and you want to check and see who it is before opening it, and just kind of peek your face in there so you can actually talk to whoever who rang your doorbell, and without actually opening the door all the way. Yeah, I have one of these on my front door right now, and my mom wanted me to install the same one onto her door, so I went and got her one. This one is brand new, and it's the same exact one. This part goes actually onto your door, and this part goes on the side of your door, right? Basically, you would slide this part, all the way this way to, make sure it's locked. And to get it off, you would take it all the way this way and then lift it out. You see? Yeah, so these work very well, and it's not going to protect you from a guy trying to kick in your door, but it'll come right out. But for what it needs to do, no one's going to actually force the door open. It works well. Now, it comes with these screws here. Now, these are tiny screws, and it's just to do what they need to do. Now, if you really want to make this really heavy duty, so it makes it really hard to open the door, like if somebody wanted to force their way in, you won't use these. These screws are too small and flimsy. Okay, this is for somebody who's going to respect the law and not try to force their way in, like by banging the door down or kicking it down or anything. You need to get some heavy duty screws to throw in here. Yeah, that's what I did. I didn't use these screws. Yeah, I used some really heavy screws, and the screws I used were like really long, and fat. So that is the only difference of what I needed to use versus what they supply you with. So when I do my mom's, I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use some screws that I have that are very heavy duty. So yeah, that would make it, because this is pretty strong. This is not going to break real easy. And you would use those heavy screws here, here, and here too. Yeah. And I know this also comes in a really nice copper color. It's a light copper, very, very light. It looks kind of like gold. I really like that one a lot, but it didn't really match with all the other stuff going on around my door. Same with my mom's. She preferred this kind because of that reason also. But yeah, they have it in that copper color too, like a light goldish copper color. But I would have rather have had that color than this one if it would have matched what I had on my house. But this holds on pretty good. It makes it so you can do just about anything with the person outside your door. If you need to be past something through the door without actually opening it, this is fine. There's plenty of space here for you to reach a hand through or whatever, see all you need to see. These are good. These are very good. Every household should probably have something like this. Because peephole is first, Then you have this when you open the door, and then you can open the door when you take this off. Yeah, I mean, or if you're going to, you know, you need at least one or the other, this or a peephole. You know, I have both, and I think you should have both. Yeah, but this actual product itself, it works very well. It does what it's supposed to do, and it's not very flimsy at all. It seems like it's pretty heavy duty, and the chain is not real flimsy, like you could just break it. It's pretty strong enough to, you know, stop a person from actually breaking the chain. So other than changing these screws to heavy duty screws, so this doesn't just get knocked out of the wall when someone tries to kick in your door or something like that, I would change to those heavy duty screws. Other than that, it's a good deal. I like it a lot, and it's very economical. All right, well, that is the Gatehouse 3 1/3 inch satin nickel slide bolt entry door chain. So yeah, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.